Hey y'all, I'm Tim and welcome to the Mr. Maple Show. We really appreciate you watching our videos. We have a huge assortment of gardening videos on the Mr. Maple channel. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like this video, and if you really like this video, share this video with your gardening friends because they may find it interesting as well. MrMaple.com is a mail order business in Western North Carolina. We ship directly to your door and we have over 1,000 varieties of Japanese maples and other woody ornamental trees. Today we're answering a question that we get quite often, and it's, do trees like wet feet? Now, we want to make sure that we answer this because this is really important. This is a really important question. When it comes to Japanese maples, no, Japanese maples do not like wet feet. If you have a boggy area in your garden, Japanese maples need good drainage. If you watch many of our videos, you hear us say this frequently, that Japanese maples like to get wet and then they like to dry out. So a Japanese maple is a type of tree that does not like wet feet. If you have a spot in your yard that's a very boggy area, a Japanese maple is not the tree for your wet feet area, for that boggy area. But you're in luck, there are plants and trees that can do well in those wet areas. I'm standing right next to Taxodium dissecum peve minaret. And this is actually one that's done pretty unique because there are 3 different peve minarets right here planted together in almost a trifecta. Now, the cool thing is that bald cypresses can handle extreme wet conditions. They're one of the plants that can handle some of the wettest, most boggy conditions. I've actually heard rumors in China at these massive, huge dams at the Yangtze River, one of the biggest dams in the world, of bald cypresses that get wet. They get submerged underwater for months out of the year, and then when the water resides, the trees leaf back out. I mean, how much more wet feet conditions can you get than that? Bald cypresses can handle an amazing amount of wet feet. And also, Dawn redwoods are another plant that can handle a lot of wet feet as well. It's amazing what some of these deciduous conifers can do in those wet feet conditions. Now, the cool thing is that with bald cypresses and Dawn redwoods, there are some amazing selections when it comes to this. So there are dwarfs, weepers, variegated types. So you can actually do a lot with bald cypresses and Dawn redwoods in those wet feet conditions where you couldn't grow a Japanese maple. Now, if you have a wet feet condition in your garden and you want to grow a Japanese maple, think about raising up that area so that it's no longer a wet feet condition, or growing a Japanese maple in a container where it's allowed to draw out, so it's allowed for the plant to dry out and really do well in that spot. Japanese maples like to get wet and then they like to dry out. And that's the way most plants do. But it's so unique that something like a bald cypress is so water tolerant that they can be submerged deeply into water and that they can survive and thrive in those unique conditions. If you've got a wet place in your garden, something like a bald cypress or a Dawn redwood are great options for you to extend your garden to those wet and boggy areas. You don't have to not garden those areas. You can appreciate those parts of the garden as well, but you got to make sure that you're planting the right plants in those places in your garden because most trees don't like that boggy or wet feet areas. This bald cypress is an amazing plant for those wetter feet areas. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video on trees for wet feet areas. I know this is a question we get all the time. Most of the time it's people trying to put a Japanese maple in those spots. So I wanted to clarify and make sure that nobody is trying to put a Japanese maple in a spot where it's going to constantly be wet and not able to dry out. If you've got those areas, we've got some great plants for you on MrMaple.com that can grow in those areas, but a Japanese maple is definitely not one of them. Thanks so much for watching this video. Take care, God bless, and have a great day.